Well, hello everybody. This is Mr. Kinney here. We're just doing part 2 of our notes on conversions here. I'll put this part 2. So we've gone over how to do a single step conversion, but there's going to be some where you're going to have to do multiple steps, and it's really much more convenient if you do them all together. So this is going to be multiple step conversions. Conversions, I think that's, there we go. So, let's see here. Oh, wait, no, that is an S. Sorry, my mistake. I think I goofed on my original one up there. So anyway, so multiple step conversion. So let's say, let me straighten this out here, that I would like to convert 1.2 months. So that would be our given. Oh, HS, let's not misspell again. So that's our given, 1.2 months, and we want to find out how many seconds is that? So that's what we're trying to find right there. So now we got to solve. Now we're going to have, now I chose these because I think we all know the conversion factors in our head. So we're going to start with 1.2 months. So this is our given. And I'm going to put it over 1, because I always recommend when you do conversions, start it over 1, unless it's already a ratio, you know, like I said, like miles, like meters per second. So now what we want to do to get to seconds, let's convert these months into, well, let's convert it into days. And let's just go with, we're just going to say, just for argument, that 30 days equals 1 month. Okay, I know some days are longer, but okay, we're just gonna go with that one, just to have a round figure to work with. So when we say 30 days is 1 month, you can either write it as 30 day over 1 month, or you can do the reciprocal. 1 month is 30 days. Okay, so let me zoom out here so we can see that. So on this first, I'm gonna rewrite this down here just because I'm gonna 1 month, 1.2 months over 1. So first thing we want to do, we want to get the months out of there. And so we're going to say that, use our conversion factor. Now we want the conversion factor that has month in the denominator. So 1 month is 30 days. Now we know we set that up right if we could cancel those off. Okay, that lets you know you set up that conversion right. Now, let's see, going on like this, we need to eventually end up at seconds, so we can easily convert days into hours, and the conversion factor is that we got what, 1 day is 24 hours. So we can write that as a fraction as 1 day over 24 hours, or 24 hours is 1 day. Okay, either way works for us, but we actually need, since we have days in the numerator, we want to use this one right here. We want to say 1 day, cancel that out, is 24 hours. Okay, now we want to convert the hours into, we're looking for seconds. Well, we convert hours into minutes real easy. Let me write this here. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. And we can also say 1 hour, we can write it like this, over 60 minutes, or we can say 60 minutes is 1 hour. Let me get that up there. Okay, so we've got one of these. We just got to pick the one that allows us to cancel off what's in our the unit that's in our numerator, and that's going to be this one right here. So we're going to say 1 hour is 60 minutes. That cancels, and we've converted so far to minutes. Now we just got to do the last one. Sorry that this is getting messy in there. Let's see, can I straighten that up? No, it doesn't look like I got my little erasey thing handy. I wonder where, oh, there it is. Yeah. Let me just do this just so that it's, there, we'll just, come on, work. Oh, now it won't work, right? Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay, well, enough, because it's just, I'm just hanging myself here. So their conversion factor is we got to go the minutes to seconds, and we know that there's 1 minute is equal to how many seconds? Yes, 60 seconds. So we could say the fractions are 1 minute is over 60 seconds, or we might, if we're converting in the other way, we might say 60 seconds is 1 minute. And let's see, we've got minutes up here in the numerator, so we want to use this form of it. 1 minute is 60 seconds. These cancel out. So now it's just a multiplication fest here. So we're going to finally see. We're going to convert 1.2 months into seconds. So in the calculator here, let's see now. We're going to do 1.2 times 30 times 24 times 60 times 60 equals, wow. So I get here for my overall answer 3110400 decimal point. I'm going to put commas. Now I'm going to double check that. You always want to double check your work because it is so easy to accidentally hit the divide button. Times 30 times 24 times 60 times 60. Okay, I got the same answer. I got pretty confident in that, and that's going to be seconds because you always want to use no naked numbers. Thank you for your attention. Appreciate it.